Hey, what's up y'all? So welcome back to my channel. In this video, what I'm going to be showing you is a few small snippets of just my oil change process. For this oil change, I'm actually going to try a new oil. Shout out to William Drawhan, we go way back. But not only him, but a few others who have recommended to actually try Schaeffer's full synthetic diesel motor oil. I'm going to be throwing in 5W-40, about 4 gallons, so that's what's going to go into the truck today. So additionally, I also wanted to encourage you all to also drain your water fuel separator. If you haven't checked out my video on that, go ahead and check that out. Just a small little bit, drain it into a glass container. Make sure there's no water in your fuel system within that water fuel separator. And then another thing is to actually grease your U-joint zerks that's going to be on your 4x4. And there's going to be one on each side on the front for each wheel. So make sure you also grease those zerks. Alright, with all that said, let's go ahead and drain the oil using my Fumoto drain valve. If you don't have one of those, check those out. Makes the process much more efficient. And then we'll go ahead and tackle the oil filter, but definitely interested in using this new oil. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and remove this. There we go. Let's let that drain for about 20-25 minutes. So check this out, guys. Took this off, 10W-30 API CJ4, severe duty 5W-40 API CJ4. There you go. Let me go ahead and go into my owner's manual. SA viscosity grades, page 437. For severe duty service, use SAE 5W-40 API CK4. For biodiesel fuel blends, blah blah blah, API CK4. Interesting how it mentions CK4 instead of CJ4. Either way, I don't think it's a big deal, but just something to note. I'm putting in CK4 full synthetic. I'm going to go ahead and show you. CK4 TR Plus. And let's see, suitable for use in applications that specify API service classification CK4. Blah blah blah. Just a small little note. So does anyone know why that is? Also, why the oil is still draining, you probably hear it in the background. Does anyone else's windshield wiper fluid leak? And I think you can see it. I'll bring it in right there. See it leaking. Right there. It's coming from behind the Ford emblem. But this is just a little bit. Yesterday it was pretty much, halfway bleeding now, but I'm not sure if anyone else has this issue. If you have, let me know how to get rid of it or fix it before I'm gonna have to dive in behind the grill and figure out what's going on. Absolutely no tick. Let's check down below for leaks. Alright guys, so I had to turn off the truck for the last step. Just one thing I wanted to show because I like showing my subscribers everything that I really do. You should see the grease zerk. So you got 4x4. There it is. And if it's stuck at an angle you can't get, make sure it's in too high. And just turn it until you see your grease zerk. There you go. So I do this every oil change. One on each side. All right guys, so that's just me trying out a new oil. Again, the way I do my reviews is I drive for quite some time. I make sure I put it through all the different situations, driving environments, and then give a good review. So pretty interested in this new oil, looking forward to what it can do. I've heard nothing but great recommendations about this oil. I'm not trying to sell it to you by any means. I'm just trying to encourage, I don't know, maybe a different taste than what you're usually running on your truck. Everyone runs Rotella T6. This is a little more expensive. You want to try something a little new, try something a little better to ensure that it lasts long and it takes care of you through your preventive maintenance. All right guys, so no leaks. Everything's good to go. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know down below. But until next time, see ya.